Articles. So we are going to learn now articles. They are the, a, and. These three are called articles. The is definite article. The is definite article. And a comma and indefinite article. Indefinite articles. Generally the is not used with the proper noun. Generally the is not used with proper noun. For example, God and India, Britain, Mahesh, Mass, like this. We cannot use the definite article before these proper nouns. God. God is great. We can say this is a sentence. God is great. You don't use the article before proper noun. A or an or the we cannot use here. The India is not right answer. You can use only India. India is our motherland. Yes, India is our motherland. We cannot use article here. And on Britain, it's the name of British country. Britain is a rich country. Britain is a rich country. And Mahesh has two books. Here also we are not choosing anything before the proper noun. Okay, you understand now what is the proper noun. We cannot use the article before the proper noun. And articles are three types. Those are a, an, the. And the is the definite article, and a, comma, an are called indefinite articles. Okay. Usually when the proper noun become plural, the is used. The proper noun is in plural, we can use the definite article. And though singular, a plural sense and stress of the word makes the with it. For example, United Kingdom is a rich country. We can use before this the United kingdom is a rich country. Okay, rich country. United Kingdom. Before this, we can use the. United Kingdom means united. It's some having some states. So it's a plural form. For example, Himalayas. Himalayas. It is also plural form. Before this, we can use article, definite article, that is the. The Himalayas are very cool. The Himalayas are very cool. And also we can, in a singular form, the sun, also the moon, the earth. The sun rises in the east. Here the east also. Sides we can use east, the north, the south, the west. Okay, like in a singular form you can use the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Okay, like this. And it is also only one, the Ganga river. Okay, Ganga. We can use the article here, the Ganga. Gangas Ganga is a north side river. It is in the north side of the India. Okay. The article an is used with the vowel sound, you know that. And also sometimes we can use the Bhagavad Gita. It is also only single. The Bhagavad Gita. We can use before the Bhagavad Gita the article, definite article. Okay, right. Some more examples we are going to teach now. He is dash American citizen. I am writing. He is dash American citizen. ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలి? American. He is a person, but he lives in America. So the article is an. He is an American citizen. I called dash auto to reach the స్టేషన్. స్టేషన్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే జల్దీ వెళ్ళాలి కదా, అందుకే ఆటో పిలిచాను. ఇక్కడ ఏం ఆర్టికల్ వస్తుంది? యాన్ ఆటో. ఎందుకంటే ఏ వోవెల్ సౌండ్. హియర్ ఆల్సో అమెరికా వోవెల్ సౌండ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వోవెల్ సౌండ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వోవెల్ సౌండ్. సో వీ కెన్ యూస్ యాన్ ఆర్టికల్. Mr. Gopi is an efficient manager. An efficient manager. ఏం రావాలి ఇక్కడ? An efficient. ఓకే, an efficient manager. నెక్స్ట్ మరొకటి చూద్దాం. Science is dash important subject. Science is dash important subject. I gada, so we can use an article. Dash ox is stronger than a cow. ఒక కౌ కంటే యాక్స్ బలమైంది అంటే యాక్స్ ఆ ఓతో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. సో వీ కెన్ యూస్ యాన్ యాక్స్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రాంగర్ దాన్ ఏ కౌ. ఓకే, and consonant, if it is a consonant sound we can use article a, that is indefinite article a. For example, he is dash is dash man of action. He is a man. ఇక్కడ మ్యాన్ అది ఏంది? Consonant sound. Before consonant sound we can use article, indefinite article, that is a, and the vowel sound we can use article an. In a particular situation we can use the definite article. Okay, do you understand now? I have a beautiful pet dog. I have a beautiful. Taj Mahal is a famous monument. A herd of sheep is moving ahead. A herd of sheep is moving ahead. APJ Abdul Kalam was dash a dash great visionary. A great. Okay. South Africa is not dash European country. Is not a European country. But here the sound is consonant, but the letter is started with vowel. E. European means EURO. So that sound is consonant, but the letter is vowel. But we can use a. In the same way, we cannot say an European. We can say only European. Gopal is dash honest by. Honest by. Not honest by. Honest by. The sound is a, but the letter is h. We can use the article an. Gopal is an honest boy. I exchanged dash 100 rupee soiled notes. I exchanged a 100 rupee, 1, O-N-E, 1. But the letter is O, the sound is va. Va means consonant sound. So we can use here article, indefinite article, that is a. They formed a union of their own. A union. Union means it's a consonant sound, but the letter is U is a vowel, but we are using here A because it's a consonant sound. Whatever may be, that is a letter before a word. If it is vowel or consonant, the mainly we can see its sound. What is its pronunciation? What is its sound? Then only you can use the article. It is definite or indefinite. If it is vowel sound, you can use an. The doctor advised the patient to take dash X-ray, X-ray, X-A. A is a sound, vowel, but there is a letter is X, is a consonant. The mainly we are taking here the sound, that is A is a vowel sound. So we can use an X-ray. Okay, now you understand about the articles. Those are three types. That is first one, a and the. A, an are indefinite articles and the is the definite article. Okay, we will meet next class with exercise.